Here it is, the blizzard of 2016, take 2. It's about 3.5 hours since the last video, and we're going to do the same route as last time. Looking out the bedroom window, and as you can see, you can barely see the grass anymore. Let me pan over this way a little bit. Yeah, it's coming down at a much kind of stronger clip than it was the first time. So now we'll head out towards the front. By the way, it's about 4:50 now in the mid-afternoon, or I guess late afternoon, early evening, depending on how you want to look at it. So we're coming to the front door and looking out the front door. Isn't it a pretty picture? Anyway, here we go. We'll pan across the front yard. You can see now the streets are all covered with snow. Before you could actually see pavement on the streets, but that's pretty much all gone. My car has moved and there's actually snow on the porch too. It's kind of coming in this way, so I'm not going to step out on the porch. But back inside the house now. There's my cactus. Isn't that quite a cactus? Anyway, here we go through the living room, heading towards the side door. I'm not going to step out there either because we've got snow on the porch. Looks like maybe about an inch or two now. And we'll pan around the back a little bit there. You can see some more. It's coming down pretty good. It's not really that windy yet. It's calling for wind, but hasn't picked up yet. So now we're back inside. Oh, and here's little Leanne. She wants to go outside and frolic in the snow. Don't you, Leanne? Do you want to go outside and frolic in the snow? Well, we're going to go downstairs now and take a look out the back way. Getting dark. Oh, and there's light. So the garage door's not open anymore, so I'm going to open the door that goes into the basement. Oh, there's our snowblower. Probably be coming in handy by Sunday. And here we are looking out onto the driveway. So you can see there's my car covered in snow. There's Chuck's truck and the Lexus all covered in snow. And it looks very pretty. But oh yeah, and if we peek around the corner here, Chuck is actually got the smoker out and he's doing some smoked pork. So I guess that's all for this video. Don't know if I'll do another one later or not. I don't know how it's going to pick up after it gets dark. But anyway, stay tuned for part 3.